Muharram, Muharram, a season of reflection. Muharram, Muharram, a time for reconnection. We turn our hearts to Allah's light, seeking guidance day and night. With hope renewed and faith sincere, we welcome the Islamic New Year. On the day of Ashura, we remember Allah's help through every endeavor, how truth prevailed and hearts were saved by the Lord who guides the brave. From every trial comes relief, from every hardship stronger belief. The lessons of the past remain like gentle mercy after rain.
Spiritual reflection. Oh Allah, as this new year begins, forgive our past mistakes, accept our repentance, and make what lies ahead